Can I reset AirPods for the previous owner without accessing their iCloud account?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a crucial issue related to Apple AirPods, how to reset AirPods for the previous owner without accessing their iCloud account. This is a common issue for anyone who has purchased used AirPods, so let's dive in and learn how to handle it.
Why would I need to reset AirPods?
Before we get into the steps, let's understand why you might need to do this. When AirPods are linked with an Apple ID, they are integrated into the user's iCloud account. This allows for quick pairing and iCloud sync for settings across Apple devices. If you've bought used AirPods, they may still be connected to the previous owner's account, which can prevent you from pairing them to your device. So, you need to reset them.
Can I reset AirPods without the previous owner's iCloud account?
The good news is that yes, you can reset AirPods without accessing the previous owner's iCloud account. It's a straightforward process that you can do in just a few minutes.
How do I reset the AirPods?
Now we're getting to the main part. Here is the step-by-step guide to reset your AirPods. 1. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Wait for about 30 seconds. 2. Open the lid of your charging case. 3. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case. The setup button is a small, round button located on the back of the charging case. Hold it down for about 15 seconds. 4. Watch for the status light between the AirPods inside the case. It should flash white, then amber, and finally flash white continuously. This indicates that the AirPods have been reset.
What do I do after resetting the AirPods?
After you've reset the AirPods, they're ready to pair with your device. Open the lid near your device, follow the on-screen instructions, and your AirPods should pair with your device. That's it. You've learned how to reset AirPods for the previous owner without accessing their iCloud account. It's a quick and easy process, and now you're ready to enjoy your AirPods with no restrictions. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more handy tips and tricks.